To make my syrup, I need 4 cups of sugar and 4 cups of juice. Add mix to boil. All right, it's boiling vigorously, as they say. We will boil for 2 minutes. I stir it constantly to keep it from foaming and boiling over, and I have to keep adjusting my heat. Okay, I'm going to move it off the heat so it doesn't boil anymore. And the next step is to, you see this foam on it? The next step is to skim most of the foam off. Okay, next step is to put our syrup into our containers. In this case, I don't need any of it right now, so I'm going to process it all to have for later use. It looks fairly thin right now, but it thickens up. And there, my friends, we got 3 pints of syrup from our one recipe. And that is BlackBerry syrup, and I've tried it and it is good.